doing the chord changes, like
Mhm.
what to you, like how do you go about knowing like when to
So,
play the backup, like the backing chords to
so literally what I was just doing there was I was basically playing just like a blues, A minor, D minor, but I seriously, what I was just following was just my A minor scale. But when I was moving to my D minor, I was still working with my A minor linear pattern going descending. Um, so I'm just focusing on the D though, because I went to the D minor here.
right? So when you're on that chord, you might play a different line, or you might have different target notes.
Yes, exactly. Different target notes, but I kind of just go back into, hey, I know my minor scale. I'm going to work my way descending and get back to that root note. Just following that pattern. So um, that's pretty much it. Like I was keeping it kind of safe in a way. You can really break out of the box by um, using different modes and such too. But right now, I just kind of wanted to stay with the minor scale itself.
The other thing that I noticed, I'm not a guitarist, but musically, you're also taking, as you mentioned, pockets, and I loved how you'd work a pocket in different areas of the fretboard, still using